Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and immediately booting into Repair Tools. Insert your Windows 7 install or repair media, then reboot and press the BIOS key to choose DVD or USB. Once done, make sure the system boots to that media. You'll see press any key to boot. Do it. You're in the Windows setup, select language, then click Repair your computer. This step loads system recovery options, so you can access automated and manual recovery tools. You'll now run the automated tools to fix common startup problems. From System Recovery Options, choose Startup Repair first. It scans for boot configuration errors and attempts fixes, and it may restart several times. Let it run. If Startup Repair fails, try System Restore to roll back recent faulty updates. You can also open Command Prompt to run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to repair boot records. These commands finish by removing the repair media and rebooting. You should reach the Windows desktop. If you still can't boot, restart and press F8 to try safe mode for targeted fixes. Make sure to run chkdsk/f on the system drive and sfc/scano from an elevated prompt to repair files. If those fail, restore a full system image or perform a clean install. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs repeatedly fail, test RAM and disk health. Faulty hardware can mimic software recovery failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.